Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Before You Travel.
Hi everyone. So for the very first time we came out of Dubai. As you can see this beautiful mountain behind us. So we're going to make a video about this beautiful Hatta.
Let's see how beautiful these mountains looks like. When you hear the word Dubai, what comes to your mind? Desert, busy city, busy people, shopping malls. That's not what only they have. They have this beautiful city called Hatta. This is the green city in Dubai.
Exactly. Look at this amazing view. As you can see between this all mountain, this amazing lake, and over there we can see there's a boats rides going on right now. And they have a lot of kind of boats rides, especially for the families, for the friends. Especially we saw there's a lot of couples having boat rides and enjoy. So if you're in Dubai, actually you can come here to buy Hatta Dam to enjoy your journey or your trip, whatever, with families, with friends, whatever you want. So let's go over there and we will see what's going on over there.
So when we talk about Hatta Heritage Village, this place is surrounded with mountains and a nice greeny place. So most of the people who come to Dubai, they will visit the luxury city of Dubai. Apart from staying in Dubai, if you can come here, this is like 150 kilometers ahead from Dubai. If you will come here, I think you will really relax yourself and enjoy. It's really nice to spend a weekend so quiet and calm.
Yeah, and one more thing to say, like even if it's summer in Dubai right now, we don't feel that much hot. I think it's because of these mountains.
Yeah.
And look at this amazing view. It's very greenish. So if you come to Dubai, don't forget to visit this place.
Another thing in Hatta is most of the people, they come from Dubai 150 kilometers ahead and they will not go back. The best thing what is they will stay here and do camping. Dubai municipality, they have provided nice places for camping, especially I think in the winter season it will be really good. So they have like nice camping huts, places for barbecue and all the other facilities like washrooms and all that. Everything is provided by the government. So to stay overnight, to have a bonfire, have barbecue for guys to enjoy for a family, this place is really superb. So guys, Dubai Hatta. This place is a really calm and quiet place for all of us to enjoy yourselves. I know, as we all know, all of us, we have busy schedules in life. So in weekends, with families, couples, you can come here and enjoy yourself, relax yourself. This place is so nice and calm and beautiful views. Definitely, if you will come here, you will feel so relaxed in this place.
And one more thing, Rizan, especially if you come with your families or friends, you can get amazing boat ride in Dubai Hatta Lake.
Definitely.
So guys, hope you guys have an idea about Hatta. So we're going to end our video here in Dubai Hatta. So if you really enjoy with our video, please go and subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get a notification once we upload new video. Don't forget to like and share. We will see you again with amazing video. Until that, bye bye. This is Before You Travel.